All right. So, Omar, you are the author of From Zero to Wealth, right? So, our main topic of conversation today is going to be wealth, what it means. We're going to talk a little bit about our current economy. But first, let's kind of talk about something that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, right? So, this big word recession. Okay. So, there's a lot of buzz. There's a lot of people talking about it. A lot of people saying that, hey, we're currently in a recession. So, in Omar's words, what exactly is a recession? What does that word mean?
Well, a recession is when people are having to spend more money than they don't have. So, for instance, interest rates, like for instance, if you had an interest rate of 3% on your automobile, now you're going to pay 6.5. So now your car payment doubled, right?
Yeah.
For the same car, right? Just because of the interest rates. Food is going to go up. Supplies are harder to get. Real estate is gonna the interest rates are higher. So you need to really get ready for it. But there's a lot of opportunity coming up. So there's going to be a lot of real estate opportunities. For instance, foreclosures, short sales, things like that. A lot of opportunities to find, fix, and flip, Airbnb, a lot of different things that you can do that will make you more. The whole thing in a recession is to have and make cash flow. You want to make cash flow, and if you're doing making cash flow, everything else is going to work out. But you got to prepare yourself. And what I would recommend for everyone is to, you know, invest in your future, like education, invest in becoming better, invest in the things like you guys do, cleaning up your credit so you get better interest rates, right?
Yeah.
And be educated on all the things that can make you money, like cleaning your credit up, like uh, streamlining your businesses. Cut the fat. Just cut all the fat out, and only do the things that are going to GTM get you the money. Get the money, right? So there's a whole. I mean, we could talk forever about this, but yeah. Look, we're going into recession. We're in a recession. It's going to get. It's going to be a year, year and a half, maybe two. 23 will be the when you really feel it, and we're still going to be good. We're in the great USA and greatest country on earth, and Americans can do it. And we've got a lot of friends around us, like in Mexico and Canada,
Yeah.
and they're in recession. They're all going. Europe is going to go into recession. But the bottom line is, if you know how to find the right vehicle
Yeah.
and you learn how to generate income from that right vehicle, which it's you can do it, you will still thrive and survive a recession.